this is Twins on A. I'm Oscar and I'll show you how to make a fortune teller. So we'll go to white side up and fold in half. And crease. And unfold. And fold in half again. It should look like this. And now we're going to do the same from all 4 squares to put up to the middle center. And crease it and do the same for the other side. And it should look like this, like all these triangles into the middle. And we'll do the same from the other, and we'll flip over and do the same from the other side. So I need to flip over and then do the same from the other side. Like this. And it should look like this. Now we're going to fold it upwards and crease it on these 2 open sides here. And now we're going to fold it again to make a square. And you open these like these flaps out and put your finger inside these 2 after you got ready. And it should look like this, and you just do it like this. And you can just move it by pushing and then pulling it. And that's how you make it. And thanks for watching and subscribe and like the video. Bye!